Seaplane Crash Test Dummies.
Alright, we're going to see what kind of range we get with this skew planer on the receiver. Skew planer's not working out too hot. Return to home's working. Maybe I'm just too close. I hear that you get better reception when you're further out, but maybe I just don't have it on the right channels. Just doing a little experimenting here with antennas. Alright, now this is the regular skew planer on both. Return to home. So it looks like I'm actually getting a little bit better reception with the skew planer on the receiver. So there's something wrong with the I'm getting better reception with the cloverleaf on both, and crappier reception with the skew planer. So I got to do something about that skew planer. Let's head towards Pike Lake there. Ah, getting way better reception with the cloverleaf. I do a return to home soon. Yeah, see my video's getting a bit. Let's go return to home here. Getting a little snowy there. Okay, I just turned it back around and it cleared up. That's on return to home. Need a little bit of elevator. coming back. Ooh, you know what? I'm running low on battery or something here. Oh, yeah. I gotta land this thing. No. Oh, I'm thrown into trees. Oh! It's down. I ran out of battery. Oh my god, that's funny. I gotta go get it.
I see it. Stop. Austin, can I see? Stop. Wait for Dad. Now what?
Stuck in a tree. Stuck in a tree.
What's tree?